Welcome to the kitty hospital. Let's help the patient. Welcome to the kitty hospital. Add new patients. Move the patient to the elevator. Choose a correct floor. Help the patient to find a correct room. Find a wound. Get the thorn out of a leg. Spray it over the wound. Stick a plaster. We cured the patient. Great job! Welcome to the hospital reception. What do we start with? We have a new patient. Guide the patient to the correct floor. This is a radiology floor. Choose office. Move the patient to the correct room. Scan the patient's body. There are some odd objects in the stomach. Remove them. Move edible objects to the basket and all the other to the trash bin. Catch pills of the correct color. Move pills to the package. Welcome to the hospital reception. What do we start with? Great job!